Hi everyone, this is Tom Loon with Top Navigators. Today is September 22nd, 2019. I'm going to update the weekly market to see how it look like. So overall, the market is still bullish. As you can see that today, right now, on Sunday night, the market is still bouncing back and forward between the sell zone and the support area right here. So even though on last Friday we have some pullback, but it's just a minor, So far they try to stay between the buy zone and the sell zone here. So let's see how they turn out next week. But if they're able to break out the sell zone, they will continue to go higher. In the meantime, if you look at the shorter time frame, the market is pulled back. Okay, after they break this level here, the market will pull back down, but it have not taken this low here, so technically it still try to go up. Okay, so this is a critical level for the buy zone. Have been a support for a while, so they pull back down and they hold back up. And if they continue to break this level, and then they continue to go up and test the sell zone. Okay, so that's for the SP 500. For the Russell 2000, the Russell 2000 they test the sell zone, they fail, and then they are in the correction right now, as you can see. So right now they bouncing back and forward between this parallel channel, and as long as they hold this one here, they will come back up and test the upper bow again. If they successfully break out the upper bow, and then we can see that if they be able to break this level here, they will continue to go and test the sell zone again. Okay. So the market is trying to find a way so that they can go higher. But if they don't do that, they take this low here, then we have to see it more downside. But overall, the market on the daily chart, you can see that they pull back up, they pull back down, they hold it right here, and think that they still go back there and test the sell zone again. And for the Dow, as you can see that the Dow is pretty strong. They come back up, they go back here, they test the sell zone, they fail the sell zone, okay, but they pull back down Friday, but seem like they hold up pretty well. The buyer is still out there, and if they hold back up at this level and then they pull back up, they will go back up again, okay. But if they take this one in here, then it means that this correction is still not done yet. So we have to wait until they finish it, turn around. But if they be able to come back up, definitely they will go up and test the sell zone again. Okay, they have been tested multiple times here. They fail. This time they fail again. Okay, so let's see. Are they be able to come back up here and do one more shot and break out this level? Okay, so we will wait and see. If they don't do that, it means that the correction is still in this parallel channel. Okay. So seem like all the indices they do it very similar formation, and the Nasdaq is same thing. They fail at the sell zone, okay, and then they pull back down, but they hold pretty well. A lot of time, you can see that in August they have a big win up and down. So right now you can see that all the indices they do in the correction, but this time you see they the range again is smaller. They only go from here to here, up here, up here. So they're in the sideways formation of the correction. So you can see that they are bouncing back and forward, okay, between this level and this level here. So let's see tomorrow if the market break up here, and then it means that they go back and test here. So they will in the rainbow here, okay, until they be able to get out of this level here. If they back up, definitely they do go higher and test the sell zone again. If they break below here, then we have to be watch out for the market. Okay, they can go down further. Let's see how they turn out on next week. And for the oil used to be bouncing back and forward between the usually a sell zone and a buy zone here. So now they be able to break out, and then they stuck in this trend here between the sell zone and the buy zone here. But overall, the uh, the trend of the oil is still in the downside, even they pull back here. Okay, uh, uh, so right now we can see that this is the first time they come back down. Okay, they may retrade back here and then to in this area here. Okay, and then we want to see that this one is just a come back down and pull back up. Okay, and then I think that they will go lower because overall the oil is still bouncing around between the sell zone and the buy zone here. Okay, that's the range that the bigger range of the oil on the top here between $64 and $52 here. So I don't think that they can go further than that. They may put it back down and pull back up a little bit and come back down again. Okay, let's see how they turn out. And for the gold, the gold have been come back down. They hold the support. Okay, and now they try to bow back up. As you can see that the gold they be able to hold this level. Okay, and now they pull back up. But overall, in order for the gold to be have a valid correction, they should come here and go back here. Okay, to this area. So I don't think that they can back to this block, but this is the resistance area. If they back out, this is resistance area, and then the gold can go higher. But technically, I think that the goal is to go back here and come back down, okay, and test this level before they can go further. Because this one is they coming back down, and now they uh, on the short time frame, you can see that the goal is bouncing back into this level here. Okay, so they may run out of gas here. If they run out of gas, this is the resistance area. Okay, as you can see from this side here, if they won't pass through this resistance area, and then they will come down. And if they take this low here, definitely they will get back here. Okay, let's see how they turn out next week. And for the bond is let me go with natural gas. The natural gas is they come back down, so and then they hit to this level, they pull back down, and now they hold the support. So we want to see that are they still have momentum because the sales on it up over here. So we want to make sure that this way you get a correction before they can pull it back up to test to this one before they can have a correction here. So right now they hold pretty well at this level here. Let's see how it turns out. If they pull back up to this level and then we won't be able to go higher, then it means that they drop back down here and then they will correct. But if they be able to break this level and go higher, they will come back here and test the sell zone before they can correct. Okay, so that's the direction for the natural gas. And for the bond is try to they drop back here right into the support and then they bow back up. But right now, as I can see that this is the first test to see that the bond be able to go higher or not. So this is the area that the bond will have some resistance here. So we will see that the bond be able to punch it higher or they will get up here and come back down one more. Okay. So let's see how are they going to do here. This one is the major resistance here for the bond to bow back up. Okay. So that what for the bond and for the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin is still in the triangle formation here. Okay, but seems like this is the first time that they try to push it back up, and if they hold that here, because they are already retrace back into this area here, so if they be able to hold it area, and then they will find a way and break this trend line here. Okay, if they be able to break this one here, okay, the Bitcoin will continue to go much further north. Okay, and for the Ethereum, they go back right into the sell zone, and then they pull back down. So this is the first test. Okay, they have to gain, build up momentum before they can break out this area and go higher. And for the euro is to have trouble to break through the downtrend line here, but the buy zone is to hold up pretty well, as you can see. So in order for the euro to continue and go higher, they have to be able to break the trend line and go further. Okay, as you can see that right now, they from the bottom they push it back up, they test here, and then they go back here, and they test here. Okay, so if they right up here, and that's the first sign that the euro will have momentum and go much further north. All right, so that's the market direction for next week, and let's see how things turn out, and then we go from there. If you are interested to our method, our strategy, and you want to learn more about uh, how we trade in our trading room, you can click the subscribe button on the YouTube channel, or you can look at our website at stocknavigators.com. And hope this one will help you and guide you for the next week trading. All right. So thank you for watching, and then we'll see you next week. Bye now.